625 traffic on a bike. LVR in front of Toyota.
LVR in front of Toyota.
Robert King, Edward versus Michael, common, DOB of 210, 1995, 55.
Barry 75.
Barry 75.
Correction, it'll be a different Michael Park. Stand by for the rest of the 29.
No, that's okay. No, but if you want, if you also work with you, then you need to call them to help us. If you keep camping yourself up and crying, the dog's going to go to county animal services and cause you to. We don't want that to happen. So just go out.
So you have like a dog bed back here?
No. I'm almost wondering, well, what do you think? Yeah, so
75.
Go ahead.
He's cleared, suspended or revoked. He's the restrained sexually protected person in a restraining order, and he has a match in ASS.
Somebody's gonna babysit Harley.
75 copy, I'll be 10 a.m. in the morning.
Is it in your purse? Purse is on the... You've been very cooperative and we wanna afford you some,
No, I know.
just
I'm sorry.
get all amped up then you're not pissing us off. We can't work our way to a solution at all. We don't have any choices, as opposed to parking the car and getting your mom coordinated. In the grand scheme of things, this is... When you get to the truck, as long as you're cooperative and respectful, just like you have been, staff will help you out. And as long as you continue to stay calm and cooperative and confident, ask him questions and he'll tell you. It's nothing secret. We're not trying to be. But we also have a job we have to get done, right? We think it's stuff. So here's what. So typically for something like DUI, what happens is they hold you for a minimum amount of time, and then you're eligible to be released. If your mom is able to come get you, they might be able to release you to your mom. Otherwise, the latest they can release you in the morning when it's done. You know about that, right? What do you think of the car and this part? Is that okay with you if I move your car in front?
Oh. Can you get him to go up and sit?
Yeah.
Oh wow, no cuffs.
No, you can, oh shit.
No cuffs on this one. That's special treatment right there. I've never seen him not handcuff a person and search. They didn't search her, didn't handcuff her. Pretty girl gets special treatment, I guess. That's Officer Perlette right there.
Am I gonna be in there?
Tell you what, let me talk to her first. Okay? What is your mom's first name?
So she was just arrested for DUI.
The dog's over there. Does she want to bring her whole purse with her? Probably. Okay. Can you try call?
No, I know. Yes, thank you.
Where are your keys?
I think they're in the ignition, so
No, it's a push button.
Yeah, it's a push.
Your keys in
No,
your
my
purse?
key should, yes, it should be in that middle pocket. It's just a little fob key.
I just want to make sure we have it.
Oh, I'd be in handcuffs for sure. I guess the secret for not being in handcuffs would just be a pretty white girl.
Yeah, that's me.
This is your card.
I'm sorry.
Wait, which friend? Does she live in Slo or in Utah?
She lives here.
Let's give her a call.
I mean, what's it?
Well, because we need someone to pick up your dog so it doesn't go to the county animal services. Let me write down her phone number.
LVR information.
Are you sure?
They don't.
Are you sure?
Awesome.
4268 clear.
Bias policing, yep.
2021 Toyota.
Jose, that's the best way to put it. But now you guys know how to get that special treatment though. Now you guys know. Just be a pretty white girl next time.
So because you're going in the back of the car, you have to see right? The reason you haven't been placed in handcuffs yet is because I need your help with your order. No, and you've been doing good. So
Oh, front cuffed. Wow.
settle down a little bit. Alright, so Officer Sergeant Hernine has moved your car to the park.
Just let her drive her car to jail. How about that?
Working about getting a ride or something to pick up the keys. And if not, we can just leave it here. If the hotel, not by us, the hotel possibly, I promise, but we'll cross that bridge. Okay?
I'll go in and ask them if they have anything with
Alright, I'm gonna have to read you one other thing, okay? Alright. That's alright. So I am requesting to take a blood or breath test.
Yeah, I'll do
Breath
whatever
test?
you want.
Well, hold on a second. Let me finish reading this. Because you'll need it's your choice. So I'm requesting to take a blood or breath test. Blood test will be completed if possible by
Shit, they might just give her a ride home. I don't know. They might just call an Uber for her. They might be just be holding her until her Uber shows up.
It doesn't
I don't know.
matter. So let me just explain the differences, okay? So a breath test we'll do at the station. It works very similarly to what we just did with the with like the little yellow box. It's like
Christine Janae is cleared.
possible maybe do a blood draw. If you get a blood draw, you can test this. We can still call your mom either way.
I need to call my mom.
I know, we are trying to do that. So do a breath test or a blood test. It's fine. Breath blood test? Nope.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
And how's the dog doing? Situated?
I'm sorry. I'm not trying to be rude.
No, that's okay. Good pup.
This is just beyond special treatment right here. She got front cuffed, didn't get searched, she's chilling with her dog. It's weird what they do for some people and what they do for others. And it's just strange that the pretty white girl gets the most special treatment I've ever seen. Front cuffed, dog at her side, and these guys are like, oh, you know, like basically offering tissues and shit.